When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal in Crestview, the importance of windows can't be overstated. Windows are more than just functional openings that let light in and keep the elements out. They are a significant element of your home's exterior design. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to update its look, investing in new windows can dramatically elevate its aesthetic appeal. In this article, we'll explore how new windows can improve your Crestview home's curb appeal, making it stand out in your neighborhood while offering practical benefits like increased energy efficiency and enhanced comfort. Instant facelift for your home's exterior. The most immediate impact new windows will have is an instant aesthetic transformation. Old, worn-out windows can detract from the overall beauty of your home's exterior. Cracked frames, outdated styles, and fading glass can make your home look tired and less inviting. Modern, sleek look. New windows, whether you choose energy-efficient models, custom designs, or stylish finishes, provide a fresh and polished look. They can complement your home's architectural style, whether it's traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between. For example, upgrading to large picture windows, bay windows, or casement windows can modernize your home and give it a more expansive, open feel. Customizable options. Today's new windows come in various shapes, sizes, and materials to suit your home's style. Whether you prefer vinyl, fiberglass, wood, or composite frames, you can choose windows that blend perfectly with your home's aesthetic, enhancing its overall curb appeal. Increased natural light. One of the main advantages of installing new windows is the increased natural light they allow into your home. Bright, airy rooms not only make your living space feel more inviting but also create a welcoming exterior view that will grab the attention of anyone passing by. Open and airy feel. Larger windows or windows with narrower frames can let in more light and make your home feel more open and spacious. This can be especially beneficial if your home has smaller or more traditional windows that make the rooms feel darker or closed off. Whether you opt for picture windows, slider windows, or floor-to-ceiling windows, you can enjoy more sunlight inside and enhance the exterior look of your home with the brighter, more open appearance. Cohesive design. Updating your windows can also improve the way light interacts with the exterior of your home. New windows allow you to enhance visual interest, casting interesting shadows on the walls and creating a striking effect on your home's facade. Improved energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. Not only do new windows improve the aesthetic appeal of your Crestview home, but they also significantly boost its energy efficiency, a major factor in its overall curb appeal. Energy-efficient features. New windows are built with advanced insulation technology, including features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills. These innovations help prevent heat from escaping during the winter and keep cool air inside during the summer. As a result, your home's internal temperature remains more stable, and your energy consumption decreases. Lower utility costs. By replacing older, inefficient windows with energy-efficient models, you can reduce your heating and cooling bills, making your home more cost-effective to maintain. This is not only great for your wallet but also an attractive selling point if you're considering putting your home on the market. Better security and peace of mind. Old windows can be a security risk. Broken seals, faulty locks, and worn-out frames make it easier for intruders to break into your home. Installing new windows ensures that your home is secure, which adds value to your property. Reinforced frames and modern locks. Today's windows come with multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass options, all designed to make your home more secure. Whether you choose storm windows or energy-efficient models, these upgrades can give you peace of mind knowing your home is better protected. Enhanced protection. New windows also offer better insulation, not just for temperature control but also for noise reduction. If your home is located in a noisy neighborhood, soundproof windows can help keep unwanted sounds from disturbing your peace, increasing your home's comfort and privacy. Increased home value. When you invest in new windows, you're not only improving the appearance of your home, you're also increasing its market value. Curb appeal plays a huge role in first impressions, and prospective buyers will appreciate the fact that you've updated the exterior with modern, energy-efficient windows. High return on investment, ROI. Replacing old windows is one of the best home improvement projects in terms of ROI. Research suggests that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost when they sell their home. In a competitive market like Crestview, homes with new windows are more likely to sell quickly and at a higher price, giving you a greater return. Move-in ready. Potential buyers will see new windows as a sign that the home is well maintained and doesn't require immediate updates. This can make your home more appealing compared to others on the market that may need costly window replacements down the line. Reduced maintenance costs. Old windows often require regular maintenance such as painting, resealing, and repairing. Over time, this maintenance can become costly and time-consuming. New windows, however, require minimal upkeep. Low-maintenance materials. Many new windows are made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which are durable and resistant to the elements. These materials don't require constant painting or sealing, saving you time and money on maintenance. Longevity. New windows are built to last and are often backed by long-term warranties. This means you won't need to worry about replacing or repairing them frequently, ensuring they continue to enhance your home's curb appeal for years to come. Conclusion. New windows are one of the most effective ways to improve your Crestview home's curb appeal. From enhancing its aesthetic appeal with a modern, sleek look to boosting its energy efficiency and security, upgrading your windows offers significant benefits. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years or sell it in the near future, investing in new windows will increase your home's value, reduce maintenance costs, and create a more comfortable, attractive living space. So, if you're looking to boost your home's curb appeal, consider the transformative power of window replacement. It's a decision you won't regret.